Well, as you can see, I got a little problem here. Just a minor issue. Well, got this old reel here. I'd like to not throw it away just because it's all tangled up. So I'd like to go through it, make sure it functions properly so I can put it back into use. It's a nice old reel. Columbian. This is number 66 on there. It's all metal. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking it apart and seeing if I can get this thing working again. Okay, I was able to pull that off of there. Try and clip all that off. Pull all this off of here. Squeaks a little bit. I'm gonna add some oil to it. Let's see if I can get this thing off of here. I'm just gonna hold that and see if I can crank this off of here. Yep, there we go. There's my squeak right there. That's a lot of my problem. So get some oil down in there. I'm gonna give this a try. I got this laying around, this gun oil. Drops down in there. I'm just getting some of that scum off there with the wire brush too.